All of you out there with a 2011 to 2020 F450 or F550, and you're trying to maybe calm down that steering wheel a little bit, a steering stabilizer kit is going to be your best bet. The factory one that came on that truck, if it even has one, is not really suitable to really calm down any sort of actual big heavy-duty tires, let alone if you put larger wheels and tires on there. That single shock is just hating life. So one of the best things you can do to help kind of quiet down that steering wheel is put something like this from Kelderman on there. Where it really comes into play is getting a nice dual steering stabilizer set up to accommodate for those really heavy wheels and tires on there. Kelderman, this is the kit we have right in front of us here, makes a really awesome kit. They sell it in a couple different variations. This particular one, you can get the Bracketry by itself, in which case you can order it with a raw finish, a matte black finish, a gloss black finish, or a gloss red finish. This is obviously gloss black, you can see the shine on there. And then they give you the opportunity to select what kind of shocks you want to go with. These are the Kelderman branded shocks, which are good to go. You can also upgrade up to the Fox 2.0 shocks as well, especially if you got Fox 2.0s on the truck. It's a great way to keep everything nice and matchy-matchy. It also comes with all the hardware you see in here. They're nice grade 8 zinc-coated nuts and bolts, which will make sure that it resists any kind of road grime or corrosion on there for many, many years to come. Let's talk about this bracketry here. They really kind of go above and beyond to make sure that this is not going to move on you or cause any issues. So you got a nice big clamp around here. It's going to go around the axle tube. And then this bracket over here is actually going to key off of the nuts or the bolts for your front differential cover, like where the pumpkin is, the differential. You're just going to take 2 of those out here. You got a nice little spacer that goes in right behind it, and you're going to screw them back in. And what that is going to do is prevent this steering stabilizer from wanting to slide forward, up, or down like that. This axle tube bracket back here will make sure it's not going to move around left or right, and then the one that goes on the differential will prevent it from rocking up or down. So again, if you're trying to quiet down that steering wheel on your F450 or F550, make sure to check us out. You can click online or give us a call. We're happy to help.